Guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to show you guys the transformation that we gave this gorgeous China hutch that we bought for $50. I can't wait to share what a little bit of chalk paint and some creativity can do to transform an old piece into something gorgeous for your home. I found this beautiful China hutch on Facebook Marketplace for just $50 from a woman downsizing her home. In this house, we're embracing a French country aesthetic, warm, inviting, and full of character. So instead of buying brand new furniture, we've been giving second chances to thrifted or yard sale finds, transforming them into modern yet timeless pieces that still honor the original charm. The cabinet was mostly solid wood and in great condition aside from a loose drawer, but it did come with an unexpected surprise: roaches. This is why it's crucial to thoroughly inspect and clean any secondhand furniture before bringing it inside. Luckily, we caught the disaster, actually not the disaster just yet, we caught the problem early and avoided a total disaster. Even though chalk paint doesn't require sanding, I gave the piece a light sanding to ensure the paint adhered well and smoothed out any dents. I left most of the imperfections because they add character and tell a story. Next, I removed the hardware, or as much as I could, and gave it a thorough cleaning with hot water and vinegar. For the painting, I used Jolie paints in the color Eucalyptus. Again, this is a chalk paint. It's a beautiful matte green that feels fresh and feminine. I applied 2 coats, waiting 45 minutes in between each. I even thinned out the first coat with a little bit of water to make the paint go further, and this is a really great tip since chalk paint can be a bit pricey. And the first coat doesn't really matter, it's just to kind of cover the whole surface, so it's okay to thin it out with a little bit of water. For the hardware, I opted for Rub and Buff in an antique gold finish instead of spray paint. This product gave the hardware an elegant, vintage look that complements the cabinet perfectly. And once the paint was dry, I sealed everything with a clear finishing wax to protect the surface and ensure durability. The next day, I installed the hardware, which is always my favorite part because it brings the whole piece together. To add a unique touch, I did line the drawers and the top section with floral wallpaper from Amazon. The subtle pattern adds a feminine French country vibe without being too busy. Finally, I cleaned up the glass and touched up any splattered paint. The transformation was complete and I couldn't be happier with how it turned out. What started out as a $50 piece destined for the trash is now a stunning, functional part of our home. Flipping furniture has been such a rewarding and meditative experience. It's a creative process that allows you to focus on the task at hand and see the tangible results of your effort. Whether you're looking to refresh something you already own or find a treasure at a thrift store, I hope this inspires you to give secondhand furniture a second chance. It's a sustainable, budget-friendly way to create unique pieces that make your home truly yours. And don't forget, you can check the description down below for all the links of all of the products that I used to transform the China hutch. With that being said, have a blessed and beautiful day.